Hi, it's Jessie with Shop Sweet Lulu, and today we're going to be making a fringe backdrop. So if you bought the kit with us, you're going to be receiving a 1 foot by 4 foot piece of plastic mesh, which I've just attached to a garment rack that we had here from IKEA. In your kit, you're going to receive 24 packets of plastic ribbon. So they're going to come like this, and there are actually 4 ribbons in each packet. So you're just going to separate out all the ribbons. We're actually going to cut most of them in half. It's going to depend on how you want the fringe to drape and how long you want your bottom layers to be. And I know it's not the most fashionable accessory, but I do like to wear them around my neck as I work, just so I have easier access to them as I go. So there's really no rhyme or reason to it, but I'm just going to choose a starting point, and I'm going to kind of color block my way around the mesh. I'm going to work in a somewhat of a loose triangular pattern, and I'm just going to start at the bottom. We don't have to fill in every square. We can go every 2 or every 3, because as we work our way up, those layers are going to cover up the bottom layers. Make a loop with the ribbon and place it behind the back of the mesh. Pull it through, and then with the tails hanging down, just bring those up and loop them through here. Pull this tight, and now you've made your first little bit of fringe. Another way we could do this is we could actually cover up the whole square with our ribbon. It's just a different type of effect. So that's just a preference, and you can mix and match, you can do whatever you want. This is your backdrop. The hardest part of making these, honestly, is separating these ribbons. So as we start working our way up, we can take our half length of ribbon and fold that in half again and loop it through. This is going to start giving us some more texture to our backdrop, and we're going to go in and cut it. I would not cut the loop right at the center again. I would cut it maybe here, which gives us even more lengths and more layers of ribbon. My first layer of these kind of loose triangle patterns. Now I'm going to keep working my way up, remembering to kind of keep shortening the length of the ribbon as I go. And I'm just going to start kind of filling in between the different colors. So we're going to get a fun textured pattern going on here. Short ones at the top, or if you're starting to run out of ribbon, you can cut your half-size ribbons in half again so that they're quarter length, and then you'll get these small bits here at the top. But it's still good to reserve some long ones just in case you want to drape them or cover up some empty gaps underneath. But I have some ribbons left left, so I'm just going to take them and kind of fill in wherever I feel like it could still use a little pop of color or to cover up some empty spaces. So you can fluff this guy up, or you can take your scissors, go ahead and give him a little trim if there's any ribbons that are hanging down too low or covering up one of your favorite colors. Otherwise, that's about it. We're all finished.